Welcome to this video on data science fundamentals. In today's rapidly advancing digital era, data holds the key to unlocking valuable insights and making informed decisions. And that's where data science comes in. In this video, we will explore the basics of data science, its key concepts, and its relevance in various industries. So, let's start by understanding what data science is. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that utilizes scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It involves various disciplines such as statistics, mathematics, computer science, and domain expertise. Data scientists use their skills to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations in data to solve complex problems and drive decision-making. Now, let's dive into some key concepts of data science. The first concept is data acquisition and understanding. Data scientists gather data from multiple sources, including databases, websites, sensors, and social media platforms. They then clean, pre-process, and wrangle the data to prepare it for analysis. This step is critical as the quality of data directly impacts the accuracy and reliability of the insights derived from it. The second concept is exploratory data analysis, EDA. EDA involves techniques to visually and statistically explore datasets to gain a deeper understanding of the data's characteristics. Data scientists use various data visualization tools and statistical methods to identify patterns, anomalies, and relationships within the data. This step helps in formulating hypotheses and guiding further analysis. Next, we have machine learning, a key component of data science. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Data scientists use these algorithms to build models that can make predictions or detect patterns. These models are trained using historical data and evaluated on their performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. In addition to machine learning, data science also encompasses other techniques like natural language processing, NLP, which involves processing and analyzing human language, and data visualization, which uses charts and graphs to present complex data in a visually appealing and informative way. These techniques enhance the interpretation and communication of data-driven insights. In conclusion, data science is a powerful field that enables organizations to leverage data for strategic decision-making and problem-solving. By utilizing various techniques, data scientists can uncover hidden patterns, predict future trends, and gain a competitive edge in today's data-driven world. So, whether you are an aspiring data scientist or someone curious about the field, understanding the fundamentals of data science is essential for navigating the data-rich landscape. Thank you for watching this video on data science fundamentals. Stay tuned for more informative content in the future.